Mag-start na ba or dili?
Oh, start na Lai. Okay na.
Sure, okay, start na. So good morning, everyone. Today our topic is all about the cardio burn. Cardio burn is a workout that consists of exercises designed to increase your heart rate and keep your body. Before we begin our main exercises, it is important to prepare our bodies for proper warm-up to help prevent injuries and improve our performance. For our learning objectives, next slide please. At the end of this online session, you should be able to define cardio burn and its benefits, demonstrate the warm-up cardio burn exercises and movement correctly, and initiate proper safety precautions while performing the exercises online setting. Before we start, please remember the following safety precautions. Do this workout in a clear 2 by 2 meter space. Wear comfortable clothes and shoes. Keep a bottle of water nearby to stay hydrated. Stop immediately if you feel dizziness or pain. Your safety is always our priority. Once you prepare your space and yourself, we can begin. Next slide, please. Our goal during the warm-up is to raise your heart rate and loosen your joint. Please pay attention and follow each exercise. First is march in place. Next, arm circles, then leg swings, and lastly is the jumping jacks. Please refer to the warm-up link provided. Pay close attention and follow the warm-up exercises before proceeding to the main workout. Please click the link. Okay.
Gapilit ka, Lai. Nagputol-putol mo, Lai.
Putol-putol imong tingog, ma'am.
The high knee. Next slide. For our main exercise, the high knees, perform 30 seconds and rest for Sorry everyone. Okay na siya. Okay
Yes,
na.
ma'am.
Okay
Hello?
na, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay na, ma'am.
Okay. Sorry. So for our main exercise, our first exercise is the high knees. Perform for 30 seconds and rest for 15 seconds. For the easy option, you can high knees in march in place and the heart option to perform the movement faster. So how to do it? The high knees. Run, march in place while lifting your knees face level. Ready? Let's begin. Okay, great job. And take a rest for 15 seconds. So for the next exercise is jumping jacks. So perform the jumping jacks for 30 seconds and rest for 15 seconds. For the easy option, step jacks, and for the hard option is the faster. So how to do the jumping jacks? Jump your feet apart while raising your arms overhead, then return to the starting position. So let's do it together. Count 3, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, very good. And now let's continue to the remaining cardio burn routine to guide us through the next set of exercises. I will now hand the session over to our next teacher, Teacher Denrose.
Okay, thank you, Teacher Liza. Now, let's proceed to our next exercise, which is the mountain climbers. Next slide, please. So, mountain climbers are a cardio exercise that helps improve our cardiovascular endurance while strengthening the core, shoulders, arms, and legs. To perform this exercise, perform it in 30 seconds and begin in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from your head to your heels. Then bring your right knee toward your chest. Quickly switch legs and continue alternating as if you're running in a place. As you perform the exercise, make sure to keep your core engaged, your back straight, and avoid raising your hips too high. Breathe normally throughout the movement and rest for 15 seconds. Okay, let's try to do it together. Okay, thank you everyone. Very good. Thank you for participating. This exercise improves your agility, coordination, and overall body strength while increasing your heart rate. The next exercise, which is the burpees. Burpees are a full body exercise that combines strength and cardio. They help improve muscular endurance, coordination, and cardiovascular fitness. To perform this, do it also in 30 seconds. Repeat circuit 3 times around and start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body into a squat position and place both hands on the floor. Next, jump your feet backward into a high plank position. Then jump your feet backward to your hands. Stand up and finish with a small jump while reaching your hands overhead. If you're just starting, you can step your feet back instead of jumping. Always keep your movement controlled and land softly to prevent injuries. And also rest in 15 seconds each round. Remember, proper form is more important than speed. Next, now that we've all completed all the exercises, let's proceed to our assessment. The purpose of this assessment is to evaluate your performance and monitor your progress. You will perform the following exercises which are the high knees, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, and burpees. Count your repetition and record your scores in the table provided. Your goal is to improve by at least 5 more repetitions in each exercises during the next assessment. Remember, proper form is more important than speed. Remember, don't sacrifice proper technique just to get a higher score. Performing the exercise correctly is the best way to improve your fitness safely. And lastly, we have the cool down. Cooling down helps lower your heart rate, reduce muscle soreness, and help your body recover. There are the following cool down, which are the neck rotations, lunge, reaches and extensions, and breathing. Slowly, to do this cool down exercises, we have here a link that we provided. You can click here, please, Miss Hart. Okay. Thank you for everyone for participating, and that concludes our presentation. I hope that you learned the proper way to perform following the exercises that we share, as well as the importance of the assessment and cool down in every workout. Always remember that exercising with proper technique is the key to staying safe and achieving better fitness results. Thank you everyone for listening. Do you have any questions before we end our discussion? Is anyone having any question? Okay, thumbs up. Thumbs up if you understand our discussion.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you everyone for listening. I hope you learned something from our discussion. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Pwede may mag-re-record sa amo ang part? Ito, talaga.
Go.
Ay, napay other groups.